Welcome back. We're here with the review session. Just to give you a little taste of where I'm from, this is a typical forest in Missouri, and it's the most beautiful time to go in the fall. I've made myself a bowl of popcorn, and I'm ready, or we're ready to do this. So let's turn to page 19. Page 19, we'll do again the vocabulary focus. And at the end of the review. So open that up. Get yourself a little bit of popcorn if you choose. And we'll do the word building or word formation. Very common in bachillerato. It says, complete the questions using the correct form of the suitable word below. Do not change the original meaning of the question and type the answer. Do you need any help? Would you like any? You first look for the word assistance. It's coming up. Takes a while. Show first answer. Assistance. Do you have everything you need? Are you equipped with everything we need? I think we did this one. Is she hurt? Has she got any injuries? Can they do this? Have they got the ability to do this? Did you know that they had broken up? Were you aware that they had broken up? And did you feel that something was wrong? Could you sense now that something was wrong? On the exam, you're not going to have to finish this. You just have to change the word that you need to do if needed. All right, number 2, what we have, page 19, number 1. I also put number 4, and I think I later deleted it. So if you haven't done number 4, collocations. It says complete the sentences with the suitable word. Pay attention to the collocations. In the bold, type the answer. Please keep me company. I don't want to be alone. Okay, this must be vocabulary. Keep me posted. I want to know. This will not be on the exam, but it's a good review. Let's try to save energy and not use so much electricity. Can you keep a secret? I don't want anyone to know. They saved her life. She almost drowned. Like, you'd have to know. This must be with the vocabulary words. Save your breath. He'll never agree. Let's go out to eat and save ourselves the trouble of cooking. This will not be on there, so it's all right. And let's go with another review. So I'd like to check on. We can just do one grammar and one vocabulary. So first we have the grammar up. First up is the grammar. It says type a sentence to follow each of the sentences below. Pay attention to the words in bold. The terrain was rough. What does rough mean? Well, it means that it's difficult to walk, or there's a lot of bumps, stuff like that. Her daughter is stunning. Remember, stunning means beautiful. She has beautiful eyes. She always interrupts us. We can't continue to talk. I think that's common in Spanish. She's very rude. I'm trying to avoid her. She's angry with me. It's not easy to keep in touch with them. They don't have smartphones. Try to get to the point. We don't need all the details. It's not convenient for me. Tuesday would be better. Let's discuss this face to face. As they say here, I don't want to talk about this over the phone. So those words should be a review. Let's go to the grammar. And here it says complete. Let me get the exercise 4. It says complete the sentences with the verbs below. Use a suitable present, past, or future tense. Then type the answers and check. So they tell you present, past, or future. After I blanked the barcode on my smartphone, the nutritional information blanked on the screen. I couldn't believe how much sugar there was in the biscuits. So you have to use you have to figure used, appeared, turn on, scanned. Usually we scan a barcode. So then you have to figure out the tense. After I had scanned the barcode with my smartphone, the nutritional information appeared. So appeared on the screen. I couldn't believe how much sugar. Charles, us his 3D printer tomorrow afternoon because it all day long. Charles won't lend us his 3D printer tomorrow afternoon because he will be using. So both future. Solar panels blank our water right now, but on cloudy days solar powers heat, and then you have to conjugate. Are heating our water because they say right now. But on cloudy days, we turn on the electric heater. Okay? Exercise 5. This is similar to the exam. Retype the sentences using the words in brackets. Do not change the original meaning. Type the answers and check. I became a teacher 2 years ago. 4. Remember, present perfect or present perfect continuous. I have been a teacher for 2 years. Or I have been a teacher, or I have been teaching for 2 years. He got his driver's license. Then he bought a secondhand car. All right. So they use before. A lot of times with before, we use past perfect. Okay. He had got, so there's the past perfect. He had got his driver's license before he bought a secondhand car. The cafe owner plans to install Wi-Fi soon. And is we usually use probably with the continuous form. So the cafe owner is planning because they say soon. The cafe owner is planning, or they say is going. I would also accept is planning to install Wi-Fi soon. I fell the first time I had a skiing lesson. And this is while. So remember, while we usually use with the continuous form, but it also can be, they use it here with the continuous form. While I was having my first ski lessons, I fell, or I fell while I was having my first ski lessons. Okay. Let's do the next one. Exercise 6 to practice a little bit more. This comes up. Waiting. Come on, 6. Come on. Look, it's thinking. And then we'll do one more. No, I think we did page 28 in class. So here it is. All right, complete the passages with the verbs in brackets. Use the suitable past, present, or future tense. There may be more than one correct answer. Type your answers and check. One of the most exciting fields in robotics is the development of artificial intelligence. These days, scientists blank work to create a robot. So it says these days, that's the key word, are working to create a robot that, and then you have to think about the verb. What does it do? Interacts. I would have said interacts. They say will interacts with humans on the intellectual and sensory level. This is why robotics blank to understand how people think and learn. This is why robotics usually tries now. This is why robotics are trying or have been trying. Until recently, the artificially intelligent devices that scientists, so they said until recently, had built only possessed a certain intelligent abilities. In the 1970s, electronic companies, so 1970s keyword, past, began selling computers that could play chess based on their stored data. Now there are robots that, now is a keyword, respond, okay, not are responding, because respond is one of those words that we never say are responding, to commands by recognizing human language. Scientists hope that within a few years hope, we're talking about future, they will discover, or they will have discovered, because they said a few years, all right, how to design robots which can learn and feel emotions. They predict that at some time in the future, artificially intelligent robots will play or will be playing. Hey, there should be more, but I don't see it. Okay, there you go. All right, and let me see if there's one more. let's see, I wanted page 27, 28. We did some of that in class. That's the one we did in class. This is page 27. The same thing. And let's go to 28. This is what we did in class. We'll do one vocabulary. The sentences below do not make sense. Correct them by replacing each word or expression in the color with the word or expression and color from another sentence. Drag the answer. This is common and Burlington likes to do this. Million of people paid attention is not correct. The concert on television. Many people viewed, here's viewed, needs to be here, the concert on television. We avoided the beginning of the film because there was a lot of traffic. It's not avoided, we missed. You see that down there. The pupils disrupted the teacher to cancel the exam. No, disrupted, no. The pupils begged, like you guys sometimes do, begged. The hurricane blank all flights to Miami. The hurricane, you have to, remember, go back up to these. Disrupted all flights to Miami. Our dog went missing 2 days ago. We were so upset. I was embarrassed, so I blank seeing everyone. So I avoided because she's embarrassed. My sister and I blank a bedroom when we were children. Shared. And the last one, I pay attention because I didn't want to miss seeing him arrive. All right, we're going to leave it at that for today. Hope that helped.